Hello and welcome to a presentation by Anglin. I'm a student at the University of Northampton. In this presentation, I will be talking about the key concepts that define how email works. These concepts include how emails are sent and received, what applications are needed to compose and receive emails, what an email address is, the different email protocols, what is a POP3 server and how does it hold your mail. All of the concepts mentioned are important processes that take place in order to get an email from a host device to a client. Electronic mail, commonly referred to as email, is a method of exchanging digital messages from an author to one or more recipients. Even before you compose, send or receive an email, there are services that are needed by the user. These are the mail transfer agent, the mail delivery agent, and the mail user agent. These three services are very important to make sure an email is sent successfully from one device to another. Before moving on, when you see the terms client and server throughout this presentation, that is referring to an architecture in which the user's PC, the client, is the requesting machine and the server is the supplying machine. First is the mail transfer agent. This is a software that transfers electronic mail messages from one computer to another using client-server applications. In summary, it allows a user to send emails to a mail server. Microsoft Exchange and Unix SendMail are examples of MTAs. Next is the mail delivery agent. This is a computer software component that is responsible for the delivery of email messages to a local recipient's mailbox. It's also referred to as a local delivery agent. Last is the mail user agent, also referred to as an email client. It is a program used to access and manage a user's email. From the mail user agent, messages can be sent and received in a client's mailbox, both of which are distinct processes. Email clients are POP3s. This is just a brief summary of the whole process. MTA receives messages from the MUA. Based on the message header, it determines how a message has to be forwarded to reach its destination. If the mail is addressed to a user whose mailbox is in the local server, the mail is passed to the MDA. If not, the MTA routes the email to an MTA on the appropriate server. The MEA is used just to compose and receive the messages that are going through this process. Mail delivery agents resolve final delivery issues such as virus scanning, spam filtering, and return receipt handling. Email clients generally do four things. Show you a list of all the messages in your mailbox by displaying the message header. Let you select a message header and read the body of the email message. Let you create new messages and send them. Let you attach attachments to the messages you send and save attachments for messages you receive. To deliver an email, it must use an address in the system that's unique, just like the postal system. This is done to ensure that the intended client receives the correct message. An email address has three parts. The first field is the username, for example, Andre, which refers to the recipient's mailbox. Secondly, there's the sign, which is @ which is the same in every email address. Then comes the host name, for example, Northampton, which is called the domain name. This refers to the mail server's address, usually having an individual IP address. The final part of an email address includes the top-level domain. For the above address, this is ac.uk because it's a higher education institute based in the UK. The Internet Protocol Suite is a set of communication protocols used for Internet and similar networks. TCP/IP provides end-to-end connectivity, specifying how data should be formatted, addressed, transmitted, routed, and received at the destination. There are four layers to the suite. These include application layer, transport layer, internet layer, and network access layer. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is used to transfer of mail messages and attachments. Protocol for email transmission across the internet uses port 25. SMTP governs the transfer of outbound emails from sending client to an email server, the mail delivery agent, as well as the transport of email between email servers. POP3 is the protocol used when retrieving an email message. A POP3 server listens to a well-known port 110. POP3 version 3 are inbound mail delivery protocols that are typical client-server protocols. They deliver email from email servers to client, the MUA.